Often when you're working in your AutoCAD electrical drawings, there will be a requirement to delete components from the drawings themselves. Now, I must stress when you're working in AutoCAD electrical, you're working with a project database behind the drawings themselves. That's what your project is based on over here in the project manager. It's all database driven. So don't just run around the drawing deleting using the AutoCAD erase command or the delete key on the keyboard. Because what happens there is you delete the object from the drawing, but you don't delete it from the database. So always use your delete component command. It's very, very easy to find. If you go to the schematic tab on the ribbon, into the edit components panel, it's right there, delete component. And you can see there that what it does is it deletes the components you select, corrects the wire gaps, but also more importantly, for things like a child contact, delete component updates the cross-reference on the parent as well. So if you erase something like a parent schematic component, you then have the option to search for the related components, the child components as well. It's very important because sometimes when you link things and you delete, let's say, for example, this motor over here, the parent component that we did in previous videos, you might need to delete this contact here as well. Be very careful when you're deleting. Use the delete component command. As I said, the delete component command is here. So I click on delete component. I'm going to delete LT105A. I click on it, press enter to confirm. It goes and it says the parent device was deleted. Do you want to search for and surf to its child peer device contacts, if any? Which there are some. There's LT105 there. There's LT105B there. Now I'm going to say no in this particular instance. That just deletes it from the database, but 105B remains and 105 remains over here as well. That's how quick and easy it is to delete a component. There's another way of doing it. Select the component, right click. You've also got the option to delete the component on the right click menu. So delete component there does the same thing. You get the prompt to surf for its child peer device contacts, if any. Again, I'm going to say no because I know that LT105 is the parent there and I want to keep that one on this wire length here. If I said OK, it would surf for it using this surf tool here. So I'm going to say no in this case. So that's how you delete components in your AutoCAD electrical drawings.